Good morning. I'm Raymond Pantoan and I will tackle about classical movements and its techniques. First is naturalism. Proponent Caravaggio, flourishing. Context Italy, late 16th-17th century during the Baroque period. Artists reacted to overly idealized Renaissance arts. Believe and practice. Focus realistic, lifelike depiction of people and nature true to everyday life. Artwork interpretation. The Calling of Saint Mateo shows gritty realism, dramatic lighting, and ordinary-looking people, which reflect naturalism, commitment to truth. Humanism. Proponent Leonardo da Vinci, flourishing context 4th-16th century Renaissance Italy, inspired by renewed interest in Greek and Roman culture. Believe and practice. Human are intelligence, capable and worthy of representation. Emphasis on autonomy, proportion, and rationality. Artwork interpretation. Da Vinci Vitruvian Man shows perfect human proportion, highlighting humanism, focus on human potential. Fresco painting. Proponent Michelangelo, flourishing context Renaissance Italy, in churches and chapels. Belief and practice. Painting on wet luster to make colors permanent. Used for religious storytelling. Artwork interpretation. The Sistine Chapel ceiling uses fresco to portray biblical scenes with monumental figures and powerful composition. Tempera painting. Proponents Giotto di Bondone, flourishing context medieval to early Renaissance Europe. Belief and practice. Egg yolk mixed with pigment. Quick drying, matte finish used for altar face. Artwork interpretation. Giotto's Ognissanti Madonna shows delicate lines and flat but luminous colors typical of tempera. Oil painting. Proponent Jan van Eyck, flourishing context Northern Renaissance, 15th century. Belief and practice. Slow drying allows blending, layering, and greater detail. Artwork interpretation. Arnolfini portrait shows rich texture, smooth blending, and realistic detail achieved through oil pan. Modern art movements. Impressionism. Proponent Claude Monet, flourishing context France, 1870s. Born from artists, rejecting academic roles. Belief and practice. Capturing light, atmosphere, and fleeting moments using loose brushwork. Artwork interpretation. Monet's impression sunrise uses soft convey the momentary feel of the harbor. Post-impressionism. Proponent Vincent van Gogh, flourishing context France, 1880s, 1900s. Artists wanted more emotion and structure than Impressionism. Belief and practice. Personal expressions, bold color, and distorted forms. Artwork interpretation. Starry night reflects emotional turbulence, truth-swirling sky, and intense color. Cubism. Proponent Pablo Picasso, flourishing content Paris, early 1900, inspired by African art and modern science. Belief and practice. Objection from multiple viewpoints, breaking forms into geometric shapes. Artwork interpretation. Les Demoiselles d'Avignon fragments that figures into angular forms, a hallmark of Cubism. Fauvism. Proponent Henri Matisse's, flourishing context France, 1905 and 1910. beliefs and practice. Wild explosive colors, emotional impact over realistic representation. Artwork interpretation. Matisse's Woman with a Hat uses bold, unnatural colors to create expressive energy. Expressionism. Proponent. Edvard Munch's flourishing context. Germany and Northern Europe, early 1900s, beliefs and practice. Art driving. By emotion, anxiety, and physiological experience. Artwork interpretation. The Scream shows intense fear through distorted lines and dramatic color. Dadaism. Proponent. Marcel Duchamp flourishing context. Switzerland and Europe during WWI 1916. Beliefs and practice. Anti-art movement. Rejecting logic and tradition. Embrace absurdity. Artwork interpretation. Duchamp's fountain, a urinal general challenges every definition of art. Surrealism. Proponent. Salvador Dali flourishing context. France 1920s, influenced by Freud theories of the subconscious, beliefs and practice. Dreamlike imagery, irrational cynicism, symbolic object, artwork interpretation. The persistence of memory with melting clocks, visualize the distortion of time in dreams. Pop art. Proponent. Andy Warhol flourishing context. USA and UK 1950s-60s, beliefs and practice, celebrated mass media consumerism and pop culture icon. Artwork interpretation. Warhol Campbell soap cans turns everyday products into high art, commenting on consumers' culture. Final reflection. The movement that resonates with me the most is Impressionism because I love how it captures simple moments using light and color. It feels peaceful, emotional, and very natural, almost like seeing the world through fresh eyes.